Hello guys, come back to my channel. Today I'm show you how to do screen background on your photo or video. Please follow me. Now click on Safari. Enter screen background. And select one photo you want to download. When you download already, please click on CapCut. Please click on New Project. Select Screen Background. Please click on Overlay. And click on Add Overlay. Select one with all you want to remove background. Please click on Cut Out. And now please click Remove Background. And click on Download. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.